Hello everyone, I'm Raju Akande and I'm presenting FloodSight by Rankine Innovation Lab, an open data flood intelligence and early warning platform starting with the Lagos pilot. Urban flooding is a growing challenge in Lagos State, Nigeria. Communities, schools, businesses, roads and households are repeatedly affected by heavy rainfall, blocked drainage, low-lying terrain and rapid urban development. One major gap is that local actors often do not have the simple community-scale information showing where flood risk is the highest, who may be exposed, and when rainfall conditions should trigger early action. FloodSight addresses this problem by converting open geospatial and rainfall data into practical decision support maps. For this pilot or prototype, we focused on three local governments in Lagos State, Nigeria. We built a 30-meter flood risk grid using open data set. The platform combines elevation, slope, flow accumulation, land cover, distance to water, population exposure, and rainfall triggers. It classifies each location in the local government into low, moderate, high, and very high flood risk zone. Flood sites also includes a rainfall-triggered alert engine. When rainfall crosses defined threshold in high-risk areas, the platform can generate watch or warning zones. We also ran a stress test scenario to demonstrate how the alert system responds under heavy rainfall. So this green part of the map in our test scenario shows no alert, while this orange or yellow part of the map is indicating watch, telling community planners to watch out for flooding. Our goal is simple: to help communities and decision makers move away from reacting after floods to taking action before floods become dangerous. FloodSight turns risk climate data into practical intelligence for flood preparation.